It's back to the drawing board on how the state can generate more money for public school education. Now that the constitutional amendment question has been invalidated by the Supreme Court, both sides of the argument are planning for the future. Sarah Madison follows up with what supporters and opponents plan to do next. Sarah?
Joe, both supporters and opponents of the constitutional amendment agree a joint collaboration is needed to find solutions for Hawaii's keiki.
The state has passed various bills to fund education, yet the Hawaii State Teachers Association tells us at the end of the day there are only 4 solutions.
The only things that bring in enough revenue to help our education system are the general excise tax, the income tax, the property tax, and the hotel tax.
Governor David Ige points to one more. He says he's expecting more than $4 billion will be generated off the state's tax system modernization program.
I've always believed that that new tax system will give us better data analytics that will generate additional revenues, which could be applied to our public school system.
Superintendent Christina Kishimoto says she has nearly $2 billion to work with.
93% of our state funds are in schools, in the classrooms. 93% of the state's budget is in schools, in classrooms, either directly in the hands of principals or in shared services like busing and food.
Still, the Affordable Hawaii Coalition, a group not in favor of the Con-Am, says there needs to be more transparency with DOE's budget. They've enlisted the help of the Education Institute of Hawaii to do a financial study.
We're going through the process of pulling that data. It takes time to collate, make sure that we've got the entire ledger, making sure that we have the fiscal data that's going to give us the acuity that we would need to then do that analysis on the entire operational budget.
Once we know how much of it is actually getting to the schools, how it's being used at the school level, and where those spending decisions have been made, then I think everybody, both inside the system and outside the system, will be equipped to make an informed decision as to whether the spending is adequate.
We asked if HSTA would try to amend the Constitution again, this time with more specific language. We're told at this moment there are no plans moving forward. The DOE does have a detailed budget the public can view. Just visit our website at khon2.com. Joe.